what I never wrote, words trapped beneath a sinking boat. Paper stained with tears I hid, letters I never sent, secrets I forbid. Every line was a silent scream, thoughts caught in a broken dream. I feared the truth, I feared the cost, so I lost the letters and I lost what I lost. These are the letters I never sent, stories of love and the time I spent trying to fix what I broke inside. But silence was my only guide, words left hanging in the air, heavy with pain, too much to bear. The letters I never sent are the heartbeats I regret. If I could fold the past in my hands, send those letters across forgotten lands, maybe then you'd understand why I stayed silent, why I ran. Sometimes the loudest voice is quiet, and the strongest man's a riot of fear and hope wrapped tight in skin, battles fought but never win. Yeah, those are the letters I never sent, tears inked in the nights I spent, hiding from love, hiding from pain, afraid to try, afraid to explain. Now I live with the words unsaid, the stories that echo in my head. The letters I never sent are the love I never spent.